So we decided on a place to stay. Oh, I almost missed my step. You cannot believe where we are in Jomsom. This place is amazing. It's gonna run us about 1,500 rupees, but hands down, it is so worth it. It's like an upgrade from where we were yesterday. I'm gonna show you why that is. Hold on, can you see me? Dark chocolate? There I am. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go this way. Hopefully you can still see me. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, there I am. Okay. So like I said, we've got our spot is over there, which I'll show you in just a second. There's hot water, attached bath, and yes, it's 1,500 rupees, which at this current time of the recording, it is about $12 US. But here's why I really like this spot. Hold on, I'm still working on this. That's the airport. That's the airport. Like, that's the control tower right there. That blue building, that's a control tower. I've never stayed in a hotel where I'm like overlooking the airport. Holy shit! Holy shit balls. Oh, you killing me. And also the views of the mountains. Oh my gosh. Hello. I'm living my best life. If you don't believe me it's the airport, then what is that little thing there? I don't know what it's called, but it's called a landing strip. Is it? Yep, something. Anyhow, there's an airport. Like our room, hold on. So this is a chill spot. We're on the rooftop deck, and our room is right there. We have one window, two window, and another window on the other side. And we can see the control tower. And oh, I thought that was an airplane. I thought that was an airplane, but that's an airport. Oh my goodness, this is so worth it. Jomsom, this is the best accommodation overall since I started the Annapurna Circuit trek. They're trying right now. They're actually drying. I think those are chilies. But check this spot out. It's so nice. Okay, let's go inside and check out the room, and then I'll show you the rest of the place. Oh, but hold on. Hold on. All right, so we're over there. This is like the courtyard area. It's right off the main street, but we can't really hear anything from back here. All right, so look how fancy. Look. Okay. There's hot water, attached bath, and this is our unit right down here. Oh, we also have our own little, check this out, balcony area, or rooftop deck area. Okay, so again, here's the airport. It's a control tower right there. There's some military soldiers, but that's the airport. That's a strip, and I was just over here. It's just right over there, and this is our room right here. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. 1,500 rupees. Oh, let me start with 1/5/17. If you're wondering, this is our room. Oh, travel hack. Trekking hack, make sure that the interior is mostly wood, so when it gets cold at night, if you don't have a sleeping bag, it won't be as cold. Check out this spot. Hi, baby.
Look what I did.
Yeah. Oh, wait, okay. So we have two beds.
But we're gonna spoon.
Okay. We're going to spoon on this side.
Oh, that side.
But you got, like I said, 3 windows. And really comfortable blanket first. Oh my goodness, those are plush. Look at that. That's the airport. Are you kidding me? And then there's a second window right here that also is a rooftop deck for us. But that's the airport. That's a landing strip. Is it called a landing strip? Airplane? I don't know. Anyhow, man, that's where the airplane land. That's all you need to know. And then there's another window. Let me open it just a bit. Another window. Baby, are the beds comfortable? Are they soft? compared to the other places that we've
Yeah,
stayed,
this
the
would
other
be
tea
nice.
houses. I think she's like very modern. Was it? Yeah, you're very nice. I don't know what you're. Hey, hi.
Hi.
So here's where she has our bags and our coat. Look at the floor, nice wood floors, and of course we have a light there and a light in the ceiling. It's her favorite color, pink.
Lies.
Pink.
Sucks.
Alright, doesn't suck. She's just, Okay, so let's go into the bathroom right here. As you can see, they're like, don't wash your clothes in the sink. That's a no-no. Okay, so let's turn the light on. Look at that. It's a Western toilet. There's hot water. They actually have solar water heaters on the roof. And so we have hot water. I'm gonna take a hot shower in an hour or so. There's a little window, but overall, a nice spot. All right, let's go check out the rest of the this hotel. All right, let's go to the dining area, which is you can access from upstairs. It's actually right here. Now check her out. She's washing the windows, right? How impressive is that? Look, no safety. Like, she's just there cleaning the windows. All right, so we can get to the dining hall from here. Look at her. Look at her. A friggin' amazing person. Anyhow, I wouldn't do that. This is where we're gonna dine later. Hold on. Boom. That's the view from the dining hall.
What? Yeah.
Yeah.
One of these Wi-Fi speeds.
Is this good? Oh, is that good? Look at the Wi-Fi speed. That's
really
good. That's really good considering where we are. Okay. And this is like there are more rooms back here. It's another part of the hotel. It has 2 levels. I'm on the 2nd level. And this is a quite steep set of stairs. Let's go down those stairs. Don't get too dizzy. Now we're downstairs. There's another chill spot where you could eat from down here. Trying to capture everything, man. This is really nice. It's a new building. I would say that from the outside, it's newly constructed because it's brick where the others are. Yes, thank you. Our porter just arrived with our luggage. The kitchen is in there, but in there the light is off. Let's see, can we see? Yeah, sorry. So, hey. Hi. Alright, so here's a courtyard. I'm going out to the courtyard right now. Alright, so the courtyard. And so here's the courtyard. We got stuff. All sorts of grains. It looks like cheese seeds, I don't know, but they're drying stuff. There are more rooms out here. There are rooms here, and then there are rooms back there, and then there are rooms right here. And look at that. Look how awesome that is. Water tanks. Right? They've been really, really cool. We walked in. 1, 2, 3. They've been super cool. Let's get me Dark chocolate. Wait. I'm just kidding. They've been like customer service has been amazing. We just walked into the hotel, and of course they were busy taking care of whatever it is, cleaning the windows, and they're super cool. We're able to walk into the view the rooms on our own, and that was not an issue. And then we had a quick conversation with them. They told us the price. We checked out another spot, another hotel that's over there, but it wasn't worth it. They were charging 1,000 rupees, but it was much smaller, and the accommodation was not worth it. So we decided to come over here. And hey, Jomsom, if you're in Jomsom, I have the name of the. Oh, sorry. I have the name. I stepped on something. I put the name of the name of the hotel in the description. Got tongue tied. Day number 20. We arrived in Jomsom. Amazing accommodation, great experience. The hike from Kagbeni to Jomsom, wonderful. Hope you enjoyed the video. Made it this far. Day number 20. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit me up in the notification. Turn on your notification. You can see this is not like, I don't have this rehearsed in my head. I just remind myself that at the end of every video, don't ask my viewers. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Day number 20. Wow. And turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop new videos, unfiltered videos. I'm not playing around. These are unfiltered videos. Anyhow, my life is a movie. For you, safe travels, one love. I'm out. That's it.